Just over a month ago, we took a trip to the Philippines to meet with and document the lives of our end users for our Philippines satellite we're launching in partnership with Orbitz. If you're watching this video, you probably have great internet, but there are another 4 billion people, half of the world, that don't have fast internet or any at all. I can't imagine what life without the internet would be like, so for me, getting to go and meet with and tell the stories of people who don't have any connectivity has been really amazing and eye-opening. One of the first places we went in the Philippines was the Cagayan Manyan School in Oriental Mindoro, a large island where many residents lack connectivity. To get there, we drove 2 hours from Manila, 3 hours on a ferry, and then another 2 hours in a van to get to the Cagayan Manyan School. Along the way, I almost fell out of the van while filming, but we made it.
Someone hold Jason's bag. Okay.
When we got there, it was raining pretty bad, but this did not stop the students from playing basketball on their recess.
Na maski may mga bisita ay talagang hindi ba mapigilan dahil po sa katuwaan sa paglalaro ng basketball. Ako si Ginoong Mariano Manabing, kasalukuyang barangay captain ng barangay na ito. Ito lalo ito ay palibot ng mga school. Nandito po yung secondary school at yung elementary. Na malaki po maitutulong nito para sa mga lalo na yung mga nag-o-online na kalamihan ay nagpupunta sila doon sa malalayo naman ang delikado ang panahon, lahat mga kababaihan yung iba. Kaya po napakalaking tulong kung halimbawa po yung aming barangay magigyan po ng internet.
After talking with Barangay Captain Mario, we met with Principal David Villafuerte, who clearly has a heart and a passion for the education and welfare of his students. It's evident when you talk to him.
Ako po si David S. Villafuerte Jr., ang school head po ng Ecological Public Secondary School. Actually po, ang ating school ay IP. Majority of our learners ay IP. Kabilang po sila sa Irayan Tribes of Mangyans. School head po, edi minamanage po natin ang school. Meron po tayong 11 teaching force, and then meron po tayong 189 learners po. Ano po, mahal po namin yung estudyante. Kumbaga po ay tayo po kasi nasa teaching po tayo for more than 15 years. Naando na po, passion na po natin yung tulungan yung mga bata, especially po nga yung Irayan Mangyans. So mahal po natin sila, gusto po natin silang turuan. Kahit po, yun nga in terms of yung mga modern technology, internet, ganyan. Gusto po nating iserve sa kanila yung natututunan dapat ng mga regular student sa baba. Kumbaga po, kahit po tayo ay nasa malayong community, gusto po nating maibigay sa kanya yung learning na dapat po ay natututunan din ng mga bata sa mga big schools.
After talking for a bit with Principal Villafuerte, he gave us a tour of the school, and we discovered something that shocked us. They have a brand new computer lab so they can teach students how to work with computers, but they have no way to connect this computer lab to the internet. It's completely offline.
Especially nga po yung ating IP na can't afford naman bumili ng cellphone. So sila lalo yung naiiwan. Wish po natin sa estudyante, tayo syempre, tayo pong taga-DepEd, ay makatapos po sila. Makatapos po sila, yun po talaga.
We couldn't help but notice during our tour a lot of posters and signage about an upcoming student election, and we were even lucky enough to stumble in on one of the speeches. President Villafuerte let us talk to some of the students about what their plans are for student council at school and what they want to do in their futures.
Sabi ko po na goal ko as a running president, kaya ko tulungan yung mga teacher sa mga pangangailangan or sa mga dapat gawin para sa mga ikakabuti ng aking mga kapwa estudyante. Matakbo din po ako as president. So, ang main goal ko po sa being a president is kapansin-pansin naman po sa school namin yung pagkawala ng mga estudyante ng mga IPs, mga kapatid po natin na IPs. So, silang ma-encourage na ano po sa amin, mag-work together po kasi kami din naman po yung talagang matutulong ng malakas na internet connection dahil yun po yung pinakang aid namin, makakatulong sa amin kasi po yung dito. So, more on po kami, research or yun po. So, yun malaki po talaga matutulong nun kasi yun po yung pinakang problema po dito sa lugar namin.
Malaking bagay na magkaroon po ng internet ng sariling satellite dito sa Pilipinas, lalong higit ay marating yung mga ganitong remote areas. So, malaki pong bagay sa aming mga teacher, educator, na magkaroon ng maayos na internet connection talaga.
Ang totoo po, pangarap ko talaga one day maging isang doktor. Successful na psychologist po kasi or psychiatrist dahil in this generation po, hindi na po basta-basta yung mental health kasi as ako po na nakakaranas ng mental health is ang hirap po talaga kasi kapag nakaranas tayo ng anxiety or depression, lahat po apektado. Basta talaga po tayo nagbe-breakdown. Gusto ko pong makarecover sila kasi
What struck us about the students at the school, aside from their passion and talent for basketball, was how passionate they were about their studies. We met with future doctors, engineers, kids that will clearly grow up and change the world, but right now, their education is completely unconnected from the internet. At Astronus, we see the internet as a two-way street. We're excited for the unconnected to get connected and share their ideas, stories, and content with the rest of the world. We'll have more stories like this to share with you very soon. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.